The dawn of a new era in maritime defense has arrived. From the shipyards of Texas, a revolutionary force is taking to the seas. Introducing the Saronic Marauder, a completely autonomous surface vessel designed to redefine the boundaries of naval innovation. While traditional shipbuilding can take up to 5 years from concept to launch, the Marauder shattered expectations, moving from design to sea trials in less than a year. This rapid pace is driven by an integrated development model where engineering, software, and manufacturing operate as one. Utilizing lightweight modular aluminum instead of traditional steel, Saronic achieves unprecedented manufacturing speed without sacrificing structural integrity. Every section is assembled in parallel, creating a repeatable model for scalable production. The result is a platform that transitions from the shipyard to the ocean with surgical precision. The Marauder is built for performance, capable of reaching speeds exceeding 25 knots across diverse maritime environments. Its operational range is equally impressive, covering approximately 5,400 nautical miles, or over 10,000 kilometers on a single mission. But performance is only half the story. The Marauder is a logistical powerhouse, capable of transporting up to 150 tons of cargo. From critical military supplies to commercial goods, it ensures mission success without putting human crews at risk. At its core is a sophisticated AI platform, allowing the vessel to navigate independently through busy shipping lanes and avoid obstacles with precision. Every subsystem is connected to a dedicated software interface, providing real-time telemetry and predictive diagnostics. The system offers operators a complete view of fuel management, route optimization, and environmental conditions. In futuristic command centers, specialists monitor fleet operations from anywhere in the world, intervening only when necessary. Whether in fully autonomous mode or under remote supervision, the Marauder maintains a constant link to its operators. Its applications are vast, from commercial cargo transport between offshore facilities to critical maritime logistics. Supporting forward operating bases and providing maritime surveillance, the Marauder is a versatile asset for any theater of operation. With a production model built for scale, Saronic plans to launch up to 20 vessels per year by the end of 2026. The second vessel is already being built significantly faster than the first, demonstrating the efficiency of the modular system and the repeatable manufacturing model. This is more than just a vessel. It's an intelligent maritime network, transforming the future of naval logistics. Saronic Marauder, the future of autonomous maritime operations. AI-powered, autonomous, scalable. Like and subscribe for more future technology and defense innovation videos.